Hey guys, RGC back, easy back here. We're going to be cleaning a Springfield 45 XDS ACP, of course. And first we got to check to see if it's clear. Nothing in the mag. I'm always having trouble with this. Make sure nothing in the barrel. Nothing's in the barrel. We're good. I'm going to be showing how to take apart and cleaning this guy. Okay, first pull back, draw back, lock it like this. Flip that switch up. 12 o'clock, basically at 12 o'clock. Switch that back. Alright, pull that forward. Okay, first pull the trigger, pull it forward. Okay, you got the bottom half. First you want to take off the spring. It's got a little pressure on it, so easy with it. Pull up with it once you get that spring off. The spring is off. Barrel, push forward a little bit and bring it out. That's how you take it apart. Simple, easy. Okay, I got the book beside me just in case I have trouble or whenever I'm confused on some things. We don't need that right there. Okay, first off, cleaning. You know, get a little rag, probably clean your barrel off, like just in case it has any extra stuff on it. We gotta lubricate it later in a second. That's part of the cleaning process. Alright, see, this hasn't been cleaned in a while. Pretty dirty. Okay. Clean the insides best you can. Clean all sides if possible. I gotta clean the top of this gun too. Just getting all the excess dirt or whatever you like to call it, grease, dirt. Okay, I'm gonna put it back together. That was the easiest part, taking it apart. Putting it back together is simple. It's real simple. The switch down, and you bring the two sights, the rear end of the gun, or whatever you'd like to call it, back. See, that went up. Bring forward, lock. Press that down. Make sure there's nothing in the barrel again, safety. Lock it. Fire. No, not fire. Cleaning process. I gotta reread on how to clean it. Go page 29. Okay. It says using a quality firearm lubricant is hot. 1 drop of lubrication on each side of the rear slide railways. So these for all y'all people that didn't know. Just 1 drop. That's all it takes. It does not say whether. Oh, okay. I see what they're talking about now. Take it apart. Drop. Make sure this is right. You know, you want to make sure it's right to get. There's a drop. So slide down and drop. Slide down. Alright, then it says reassemble slide frame. Alright, so I'm going to reassemble that now. I'm going to turn that switch down. Turn that on. It's not going back, so says pull the slide back, multiplate the slide back and forth 5-10 times. Okay, put the switch down. If possible, put the switch down. Bring it back. Okay, pull trigger. Okay. It says next, 1 drop of lubricant on the top of the chamber area of the barrel. See if you get 30. Okay. So, one drop here, and one drop here. You see? Lock rear slide. Okay, it's locked. Make sure it's not in the chamber, of course. One drop on the top of the muzzle of the barrel, and then one right here on the front, and then one back here on the sides, about a quarter way down. Alright, multiply that back 4, 5, 10 times. Okay, that's really what I've checked so far. This. Oh, and you do not want to lubricate. Here, I'll show you. You do not want to lubricate these two areas right here. Just don't do it. Don't know why. They said not to. Don't do it. Alright. And so, remember what I told you about putting them back together? This down. This slides like this. Slide back. Slide came open. And pull the slide back. Lock it. Pull that lever down. Down. You should be good. For cleaning the barrel, we're not going to really do that today. I was just showing you how to lubricate, take apart the 45, and that'd be it. Click like button if you liked it, if you enjoyed it. Comment, see if you want to see more about taking some other guns, pistols, just firearms, rifles, assault rifles. I have to get on that. I'm seeing if I can clean some. Like I said, if you like it, leave a like, of course, comment, subscribe if you're new for more of these. I'll see y'all in the next one.